This is a guard dog.
Okay.
That I reprogrammed from a kid's toy.
All right, and tell me how it works.
This sensor reads values, and then the higher the sensor can detect, it'll make different commands that get more aggressive as you get closer.
Can you show me?
It goes off about every 5 seconds, so usually it takes a little bit to start reading again. I don't know. Now we're going back to the original code. Yeah. See, it'll start.
You gotta bring the camera down here, right? You gotta see it. So, this is a 4x4 Arduino LED light key, right?
Yeah.
And basically it emits different patterns.
Okay.
So as you can see, each second
you got going on here?
Really, our technician is trying to fix the Bluetooth problem, and so basically we can always upload new skip into the
Oh, let me see inside.
robot. So you can see this is the modal drive, and then this is the range sensor.
Yeah.
So like this is where the power source of the entire thing comes out, and then it's a movable, cute Bluetooth connect, Wi-Fi, Alexa.
By the way, all of these parts are made by 3D printer.
Nice.
We print all of these parts. Unlike other people, they use like the material they already have. We print it by ourselves, so it took us a really long time.
That takes a long time to print. Yeah.
One wheel or another turns based on where the heat exists. Well, ideally, yes. So it says we find heat here, it's going to turn. If we find heat here, it's going to find heat the other way.
Language gloves. So
Okay.
you put your hand in the glove, and then you make a motion.
Uh-huh.
That would be like a letter of the sign language alphabet, and then it would translate onto the screen.
Nice.
That's the forward one. That's back. And this one opens the arms. That one closes the arms.
Well, here, you want to show
Logan, show it to me. Make it go. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that is cool.
I don't know why the speakers are kind of quiet right now. I think it's because the room is...
I think it's just loud.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Cursor, and the penguin will follow it. And then it collects these gems.
Oh, wow. That's
Yeah.
Nice. And you did this all in processing?
I did, yes.
Nice. Oh, that's cute.
Thank you.
Did you script all the images?
Script?
Did you draw the images?
Yeah, I did. I did it on Illustrator.
Tic-tac-toe.
Okay.
You're supposed to play with 2 players. So you have the numbers here. You just type in the number.
All right.
And it lights up like that.
Oh, very cool. So
And
then the next player?
the second player's circle.
Remembering each step, which is about 2 centimeters. So every 2 centimeters, it produces another pulse that sends the wheels. And so and I love it. So it's converting these like values of heat into specific colors. So it typically will just cycle like reds, oranges, yellows, whites, and sometimes even greens, depending on whatever.
I didn't calibrate the other sides yet.
Oh, how nice looking is that?
Any game, but right now it's programmed to control fire by Water Girl.
Okay. Very nice. See how it does. Yeah.
And once anyone passes through, it's showing on my computer, which we'll say intruder, which is still here right now.
Uh-huh.
And see when someone passes through.
The ball, it's in red.
So the ball,
The ball sends out, it's like basically glowing. And then the sensors will scan when the ball is visible. It's infrared.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay.
He has light sensors that are glowing and high.
Nice. Oh, look at that.
So if the lights were off, these tank lights would turn on.
And then he's got a simulated fire red LED.
Oh, look at that. Nicely done.
For my project,
So,
I was intending to make this robot hover, but then I changed it a little bit to make it move using the fan. But the fan doesn't really work, but basically everything else works.
it just doesn't have enough power, or
Yeah, I think I'm gonna work on it next year and like make it better.
bigger fan?
Yup.
All right.
Changes depending how far you are away from the sensor.
Okay, let's see it. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. Very cool.
Isn't that amazing?
You like it? I like it too.
It's really lifelike. Whose is this?
This is Amele. She's running track right now, so
It's just too awesome.
it's pretty neat.